Hello everyone, I'm Sangeeta working as assistant professor in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science, Graphics and Creative Design. Welcome everyone to this session on software engineering. Today we will explore what software truly is, how its nature is evolved, the concept of software process and the various process models used in development. This session will help you understand the foundational aspect of software development, focusing on why these concepts are crucial in the modern software industry. Software is unique because it is entirely conceptual. It enables real world operations. Unlike physical products, software does not face wear and tear but requires maintenance to remain effective. It is adaptability to user demands is a defining characteristics, making it essential in almost all industry today. The evaluation of software reflects the growing complexity of user requirements. Software is now the backbone of smart and connected systems, driving innovations in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Software is categorized based on its function. For example, embedded software drives the smart in smart devices. The diversity in types of software showcases its role in simplifying and enhancing user experiences across various domains. Each step in the software process builds on the previous one, ensuring that the final product is robust and user-friendly. The approach reduces risk and ensure alignment with your goals. Without a defined process, software development becomes chaotic and error prone. The process ensures that the project stays on the track and aligns with user and business objectives. Process models are essential framework tailored to different project needs. Each model has its strength and weakness, making it vital to choose the right one for the job. The waterfall model is suitable for projects with clear and stable requirements like traditional engineering projects. However, it lacks the adaptability need for dynamic and software environment. Agile is the popular in modern software development because of its focus on continuous improvement and user involvement. Teamwork in sprint delivering features incrementally. Each model serves specific needs. Agile is ideal for dynamic requirements, while waterfall is suited for static ones. Choose based on project complexity, team expertise, and user expectation. There is no one fits all approaches in software engineering. Adapting the process to fit the project context ensures quality and efficiency. Always align the development process with the end goal for optimal results. Software is ever evolving, reflecting changes in technology and needs. Understanding the software process and selecting the right model ensures successful project delivery. Software is ever evolving technology and user needs. Embracing The right practices leads to higher efficiency and user satisfaction. Thank you.